Ask yourself, when the middle term is 6, what can D be? Only one answer, 5. If you cannot put 6, you cannot put 7, because if you put 7, right, this will be, unless it's negative 7, but the question says prime number, only one answer is 5, okay? And then you're supposed to find D, right? D is a prime number, or should I show you another way? Yeah, I can. They are both integer. Okay, I don't want to teach you a lot of new concept, okay, because it's no point to that. This is 5, right? So that I just put this equals 0. Then when you should get 1 and 5. So x is 1, x is 5. They are both integer, right? So is D a prime number? Yes. Now, if you do like other numbers, can we put 7? If you're not sure, just put 7 inside. Then you realize that 7 cannot factorize. 7 cannot factorize, because if you put 7, you should use 1 and 6. This 7 plus in order to get negative 6. If this is a plus, this should be a minus. So it's not a prime number. Negative number are not prime number. So only one answer, D is